So I'm just doing some wiring on the bike and I'm just putting some of these connectors on. This kit here, I bought this off Amazon, and obviously I can put my own connectors on, make my own wiring looms up and things like that. It's a handy kit, especially when people have been hacking away at wire looms. So I've got a wire here and I've stripped that end already with these strippers. And now basically I put that in there. And you have to tighten this in here. A bit awkward. That's that, nice and secure. And then this just pushes in the back of there. And clips in. So sometimes I have to straighten these up. But anyway, you get the idea. So that can be taped up and then that can be soldered into the wiring loom on the bike. So you can see someone put a block connector on that before. It's quite awkward undoing that when you're getting the tank off, as you can imagine. So it's going to be a lot nicer with this soldered onto there. I've sorted this wiring out, I've tidied it all up in there. I've got this new connector fitted and it's all wired in, it's nice and neat. I put some heat shrinks on it and then I've taped it up with some insulation tape. Same on the tank, nice new connector on there. So that's going to make it a lot easier getting the tank on and off, and it's tidied it up and it's just a lot proper really. Right, now I've done all that wiring on the loom that goes to the tank. I've put the connectors on both ends. They sorted the wiring out on the wiring loom and they put a connector on there and a connector on the underneath of the tank, so that comes on and off with no problems. I've got the carbs cleaned. I've put the battery back on. I'm going to see if it'll start.